In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on this Toyota Camry. Just so you know, the driver's side takes a 26-inch wiper blade and the passenger side takes an 18-inch wiper blade. Let's get started. Lift up the wiper arm. With it lifted up, you have access to the mounting point of the wiper blade. In our case, we have a little cap that covers the mounting area here. So lift that up, and once you pop this up, there's a little tab here. Oh, it looks like mine is broken, so someone must have already been here before, but that's what locks it in. You should be able to pry on this and then pull down on the wiper blade and then remove it from the arm. Here's your wiper blade. Do not let go of this arm, because if you do, this will hit the windshield and break it. So have your new wiper ready and line it up. Press it on just like that. You'll see that on the new one right here, this is the tab that I was talking about. That's what you should be able to press. This is locked in. This wiper does not have a cover for the mounting spot, so that's fine. At this point, you also want to remove this white sheathing that comes on the wiper blade itself. Take that out. It will scratch your windshield. That is just to protect the blade during transportation. Now put the blade down and repeat the process on the passenger side, which, like I said, takes an 18-inch wiper blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.